Welcome back to the CSC Garage. In this episode, I want to show you how to remove and reinstall the rear wheel of your SG400. Let's get started. To complete this job, we're only going to need a few tools: 5mm Allen, 6mm Allen, 13mm socket, 14mm socket, 18mm wrench, and a 24mm socket. As we get started, I first want to get the brake caliper out of the way. We're going to use the 13 and 14mm sockets to do that. And we'll let that gently hang. Now I want to go ahead and loosen up the chain and the axle before I get the rear wheel lifted off the ground. So I'm going to use the 24mm on the axle nut. I'm going to hold the axle with the 18mm wrench, and then I can use my 6mm for my chain adjuster. We've got the axle nut and then the washer. Now I want to lift the rear wheel just so the pressure's off that axle. We'll leave it right there and then slide the axle through. Now our rear wheel is free and we can take the chain off the sprocket. And we're free. Now we're ready to reinstall the rear wheel. You'll note that the spacer with the, looks kind of like a hat washer almost, that goes on your drive side. The other spacer's for the brake side. Also, but before we reinstall it, we're going to put a little anti-seize on the axle, primarily focusing on the areas where the bearings actually run. There are several components to juggle while we're doing this. One is the mud guard. We're going to kind of have to hold that out of the way. We want to make sure everything lines up. We've got to get that chain back on over the sprocket. And also we want to make sure that the brake caliper mounting plate gets held in its proper place within this groove. That's what holds it still. So as we slide the brake caliper mounting plate into place, there's a groove on the inside of the swing arm. We want to make sure that the tab, this tab, stays in that groove. And now we're ready to get the chain back on. Okay, now as we reinstall the rear brake caliper, we want to make sure that the bottom tabs of the pads are securely in this slot. So we're going to put one on each side of the disc. And now with the rear caliper reinstalled, we're ready to adjust our chain and then tighten down our axle. So as you can see, we've got quite a bit of slop in our chain. We want to tighten that up. We want to make sure the adjustment's even on both sides of the swing arm. So we're going to use our marker lines to make sure things are even. And we're going to use a 6mm Allen to actually make the adjustment to pull that wheel back and tighten the chain. Anytime I have a rear wheel removed or I'm working on a brake or removing and reinstalling a brake, I always like to test that while it's still on the lift. So I'm going to jack up the rear wheel so that it can spin freely, and then go ahead and pump up that rear brake, apply the brake in both directions. This also helps me verify that those brake pad tabs are in their correct slot. And everything looks good, so we're ready to take it off the lift. Thanks for joining us once again at the CSC Garage. I enjoyed showing you how to remove and reinstall the rear wheel on your SG400. If you need any wheel parts or motorcycle parts for your SG400, be sure to check out our website. And until next time, as always, enjoy the ride.